What are some good substitutes for corn flour in recipes?
Hello, kitchen wizards! Today, we're diving into the world of baking and cooking hacks. Ever found yourself midway through a recipe only to realize you're out of corn flour? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. But there's good news. There are plenty of substitutes you can use that'll save your recipe. Let's explore some of them.
What is corn flour and why substitute it?
Firstly, let's clear up what corn flour is. It's a finely ground powder made from dried corn kernels, used widely for its versatility in thickening sauces, gravies, and in baking. However, you might need a substitute if you've run out, are allergic, or following a diet restriction. Identifying the right substitute depends on the dish you're preparing and the role corn flour plays in it.
Wheat flour.
Our first substitute is none other than wheat flour. It's the most commonly available and used flour. While it's not gluten-free like corn flour, it's perfect for general baking and cooking where the flour primarily acts as a binding agent.
Rice flour.
Next up is rice flour. If you need a gluten-free option, rice flour is a great substitute. Its fine texture is quite similar to corn flour, making it an ideal replacement in baking, particularly in recipes that require a delicate texture.
Potato starch.
Our third option is potato starch. This is another excellent gluten-free alternative, particularly well-suited for thickening sauces, soups, and stews. Potato starch can withstand higher cooking temperatures, making it more suitable than corn flour in some cases.
Arrowroot powder.
Finally, there's arrowroot powder. This gluten-free substitute is derived from tropical plants. It's a fantastic thickening agent and remains clear when cooked, unlike corn flour, which can make sauces cloudy. Plus, it's flavorless, so it won't interfere with the taste of your dish. And that's a wrap, folks. Now you've got a whole arsenal of alternatives to corn flour up your sleeve. Remember, the best substitute will depend on what you're cooking or baking, so choose wisely. Don't let a lack of corn flour stop you from creating culinary masterpieces. With these substitutes, your kitchen adventures can always go on. Happy cooking, everyone!